Hello my beauties! Today I'd like to show you my favorite technique to create gorgeous volume and texture at the back of your head. It can be combined with multiple hairstyles, braids, ponytails and updos, and I'll show you several ways to decorate it. And if you don't follow me yet on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, I'm going to put all the links in the description box. This way we can stay connected, because even when I don't have a chance to post new videos here on YouTube, I stay very active on social media. I'm sharing with you photos from my trips, my fashion, beauty, hair favorites almost every day. Beautiful hair is your best accessory. So I'm going to start from attaching my Glam Time clip-in hair extensions. In a matter of minutes, they give me all the length and volume that I need. I like my extensions wavy, but I don't like to damage them with high heat tools. That's why I often use jumbo curlers, soft bendy rollers that can be used overnight on dry or slightly dampened hair. In one of my previous videos I've already shown you how to use them, so feel free to check it out. You'll find the link on the screen and in the description box. I'm going to start from creating a so-called base for this hairstyle. I section a strand of hair at the top of my head, quite a thin section, and create a regular 3-strand braid. I'm going to tie its end with a transparent elastic band. As I'm using the extensions, I'm going to show you where I place my side wefts with 2 clips. Normally I would attach them much lower down, at the level of my ears or even below, but here they need to be really high up. And also I need to attach them in a diagonal manner. Normally I create the upper parts of my hairstyles using my natural hair only, but here I'm going to need that extra volume. As you can see, I section some of my own hair together with a strand of extensions and use it to create a twist. Then I'm going to create a hole in the first segment of my braid and bring this twist through that hole. I repeat the same procedure on the other side of my head. I section some of the extensions together with my own hair, twist it, create a hole in the second segment of my braid and bring the twist through that hole. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps many times. I want to incorporate over the half of my loose hair into this braid by the time I reach my neck. And you know, if my natural hair was longer, then my base braid would also be longer, and I could keep on creating twists and passing them through the braid till I reach its ends. But since my braid finishes near my neck, that's where I'm going to stop. Now I'm going to spend a moment styling my twists. I want to give them a nice balanced shape and a beautiful volume. This gives us the first half up, half down hairstyle with beautiful volume at the back. Feel free to decorate it however you wish, even using real flowers. Let's now create a combo braid by putting the ends into a fishtail braid. So you split the hair in 2 equal parts, section thin strands of hair from the edges of individual sections, and cross them over, adding to the opposite section. A thin strand from the edge of the left section goes into the right section, and a thin strand from the edge of the right section goes into the left section. And so on till you reach the ends. I finish off this braid bringing it to the front and then stretch it with my fingers. This step is always my favorite and it's going to give you that voluminous frozen Elsa look. That's how this hairstyle turns out. Without accessories, you can easily wear it every day. Feel free to try it out with different types of braids. So instead of a fishtail you could have 4 or 5 strand braid, or a rope braid. But of course, for special events, feel free to decorate it however you wish. Here's a version with those basic white flowers. They make this braid appear even more delicate and fresh. For a softer look, I like to leave a couple of strands around my face. Let's now wrap this braid into a side bun. Twist it tightly around itself and then shape it into a bun. Just like that. You want to secure it in place with multiple bobby pins, somewhere under your ear. And there you have your gorgeous romantic updo. And let's admit, it looks much more difficult to do than what it really is. As usual, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to accessorize it. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of transformation hair tutorials and what sort of videos you would actually prefer to see on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!